Hi everyone! Finally, after I think almost 2 years since I uploaded the entertainer short, I was asked for a tutorial, and here it is. If you want to skip the intro, you can go to the description, and right there will be the exact minute and second where the tutorial begins. So I want to say something before. First of all, if you read music, you can read it, but you will find out that it's not very professional looking, because I used Guitar Pro, and there were some things that I couldn't make it, But the tabs are the notes that comes in the arrangement. The arrangement is not mine, so I got it in this book that I bought it, 2 or 3 years ago at Guitar Center, and I came across that song. It's funny, but this is the easy version. This is the easy one, and this is the arrange the guy who made the arrangement, Alex Sokolo. All the credits for him, because he made the arrangement, and he was born in Los Angeles in 1945, and he has a YouTube channel. He plays banjo, he plays other songs. He made a lot of books, I found out. And what else? I will play it. I will put the tabs, and I will be playing too slowly so you can see the movements, and I'm gonna point some fingerings the way I do it. And so let's begin with the tutorial. I'm gonna move the camera to, and I'm gonna grab the guitar like this to make it more easy to see. And I will be reading right here. Okay, we're gonna begin the song too slowly, as I said, and you can begin with an index right here for string opener, and you will do this. Then number one right here on the left, and with the middle finger, and then you put the C chord. With these two fingers, you play these two notes, and then with this, you play the second string, the same thing. There's a change right here. Okay, once again, the number 8, the bar number 8 is right here. Okay, once again, from the 12, number 12. Then you start the song from the beginning, Okay. Then the last part. If you wanna listen the performance, you can go to see the short. I will leave the link right below so you can check it out. And this is the last part. Okay, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye.